Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this FabFox shaver. It's like a 9-in-1. I know you guys like had several shavers that were sent to me. That one was okay. Now this one, the only problem with the other shaver that I had, it was like it kept like basically I kept almost turning it off, and then eventually like that was just getting in the way. So I was like, no, it's okay. So I went ahead, gifted that one to a friend, and this one, well, this one I bought. So we're looking at the 7D Tool Bidden 1. Well, what an electric dry shaver. There's no brand on it, but it's okay because we're gonna still review it. So it's a floating head 7 tool 1 bit. It does have a facial cleaning brush. Maybe I'm holding it. No, I think I said it was. So overall, the box is pretty good. Fast shipping, by the way. Got this like within 2 days. So Speed XL A and B. Wow. Skin glide system. So I guess. Oh, okay. It doesn't measure. Doesn't much. Body washable. That's pretty good. Facial cleaning brush, efficient degreasing, soft and comfortable. That pretty much applies to like for others that we have like tend to have like greasy faces. Like I'm actually one of them that has greasy face, unfortunately. At least I don't have cracked skin, so that's what's good. We got a sideburns knife, sweet, and the beard stubble can be trimmed. I love that too because that is actually really good. If you have a beard and you need to just shave it off before you actually shave with this works to the max. Nose and ear trimmer, always can use that, especially for nose hairs and ear hair. Soft face sponge I never used that before. It's kind of weird, but we're looking at the Just Kidding 2016. All right, so 5 watts, that's standard. And of course, it has an LCD indicator, external power charging. I think that's USB-C, high-speed AD pal alloy motor, and fully washable, which you don't want to get electrocuted when you are shaving. But I don't do that. I just basically put the cream on and, or cream. Did I say cream? Oh well. So here we go. So we're first extracting this out. So we're getting a little bit of gadgets. And what else are we doing on this side? Sweet. So, oh, well, it comes with the box right there already, as you can see. So I guess it was this way. Or yeah. That's pretty cool. I guess it was this way? Not sure how it was planted, but the way it was planted. Oh. Oh, it's this way. Yeah, it makes sense. Of course, because the it's sitting right here. So overall, great packaging. Love it. We have just the shaving head shaver. Electric shaver, strong shaver. Shaving head, hair clipper head, facial cleaner, soft sponge. So this is pretty cool. Open instructions. Okay, we'll read that later. All right, so first off, we got this shaver head here. We'll look at the supplies. So let's get started with this one. So overall, it's like nice packaging. Notice that it was here. Looks almost like, ooh, awesome. I love this because that tends to be one of the things where you want to set it down. So that's kind of cool. Oh, awesome. I love this. I was not expecting this. I just thought I was but this looks like hands-on Iron Man. Not just Iron Man, but you know, literally. So that's kind of cool. All reminds me of Lord Zed. So I'll probably like keep the shaver in my room like that. Hopefully no one freaks out when they see it. But this is actually kind of cool. Has a plastic rim on it. Fully charged. That is awesome. This is literally Iron Man. Or if you're a true Marvel fan, you'll know who the next Iron Man is. So yeah. Other than that, I think this is pretty cool. Wow, it's 100%. So this was probably charged before it got sent out. Easy removal. Love that. As you can see here, everything is along the way. This is gonna be great. The way you're gonna handle it. Your hand doesn't get involved in where you could turn it off. It's just portable. You're holding on to War Machine. I gave her the answer away. Dang it. Well, you already know War Machine. Uh, I was gonna put like a little cue for you guys to have a quiz too. Who is the next Iron Man? But if you got it, oh well. You already made it far in the video. Someone wanted the giveaway. I wanted the giveaway. This is a giveaway because War Machine's the answer. So I love this. It also reminds me of Lord Zed and almost like the Autobots, so, and Transformers. But yeah, this is awesome. So when you're shaving, and it moves too. So it's like kind of like the portable thing. So this is kind of awesome. That's sick. Okay. Okay, that's weird. It went from 100 to 66. I hope it doesn't like fall fast, but hey, you know, you get what you pay for, so we'll go with that. So, all right, so we go here. So other than that, we'll get this right here. Let's get started on the packaging. Oh, where's the USB-C? Oh, here's a USB-C to charge it. I think that's pretty sick. That's pretty awesome that everything's gonna be like universal serial bus now. So let's check this out. Now we got the items over here. So we got the USB-C here, standard USB-C port, great for charging your AirPods, iPhone, Samsung. Nice. Everything is well packaged, as you can see. Everything is specifically clipped. Notice that they literally took the time to include everything sealed. Except for this one, I guess I have to do standard thing. Same thing for this trimmer here. It is sealed. It even comes with multiple trimmers, so that's kind of cool. And this is for your nose hairs, ladies out there. And of course, it's gonna come with a little sponge. This is a way for you to clean your. Literally, when I was like 12 or 13, I didn't know what this was. I thought this was just or I think you could probably use it after you shave your nose. You can, but it is actually to clean your little blades and stuff. So this is kind of cool. So we'll leave all this here. And it says right here, wrong way. Pop it out. It doesn't want us to twist it or anything. Okay, I see it. So man, I'm trying to read this, but okay, so it wants us to, okay. It wants us to use this. Yeah, it makes sense. There you go. It doesn't want us to pull it like that, but it wants us to use it like, use our fingers. So I'm going to keep that in here just in case, and then when we pop it back in. So yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, for you to pull it out rather than just pulling everything together. That's the only downfall that you might get, is that you might turn it on by accident, but it's cool, kind of cool here. So overall, I like it. I guess they had it like this little thing going on. It's like a little extra thing that they wanted you to have. But other than that, I think this is pretty cool. I like it. Reminds me of Lord Zed. I know they didn't advertise this because of the eyes. Maybe some people didn't want to do it. Oh, I was reading it backwards. It was I was like literally like thinking like, oh, it's like 99 or 60, but it's actually, instead of 66, it was actually 99. So I was like way off, way off. But here we go. Other than that, guys, I think this is pretty cool. It's once again, it doesn't show the name of the brand, but it's basically FetFox's electric shaver. I'll put a link down below. It was actually like pretty cool. I think it was like $22 at the time. And I really like the fact that they have this material. It's sealed off, so that means like they air tightened it. That way they know that no one else has touched it, aside from this one though, because you can't air seal tight these because then the sponges. But as you can see here, this is going to be great for trimming your beard, or when you don't want to, because you don't want to just shave your beard like entirely using this until you trim it properly. So yeah, guys, there you have it. Other than that, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll put the link down below, and like I said, I'll try it later. But I really like the fact that it came charged already. Plus, the packaging is amazing. Fast shipping, I love it. I will shave you guys later. Peace. War Machine.